Mehmed the first 1414141. Sultan Çelebi Mehmed was born in 1389 in Edirne. His father was Yildirim Bayezid, and his mother was Devlet Hatun from the Germanids. He was of medium height, had a round face, fair skin, rosy cheeks, and a broad chest. He had a strong physique. He was very energetic and brave. He practiced wrestling and was strong enough to draw even the toughest bowstrings. During his reign, Çelebi Mehmed personally took part in 24 battles and received nearly 40 wounds in these wars. The turban he wore on his head, along with his gold-embroidered kavak, a type of Ottoman headgear, gave him a noble appearance. He wore a fur-lined robe with a high collar. Sultan Çelebi Mehmed was just in his treatment of Muslims, and he extended the same fairness to Christian communities as well. He was a good administrator and politician. He completed his education in the palace of Bursa. Later, his father appointed him as the governor of Amasya, where he learned the affairs of state. After the Interregnum Period Fetret Divri, Sultan Çelebi Mehmed succeeded in reuniting the Anatolian principalities, which is why he is also regarded as the second founder of the Ottoman Empire. Sultan Çelebi Mehmed died on May 26, 1421, in Edirne. His death was kept secret. He became the first Ottoman sultan whose death was concealed. His body was brought to Bursa and buried in the green tomb Yegil Turb. Sons: Mustafa Çelebi, Murad II, Ahmed, Yusuf, Mahmud. Daughters: Fatma and Selçuk Hatun.